Saturday. Punta kami sa, where are we going, love nga? Bank of America for our joint account.
Snow.
Yeah,
See?
that's what I want to tell you.
They got snow already.
Nag-almusal muna kami, guys. Breakfast, Starbucks. Kasi appointment namin 12. So babalik kami by 12. So ngayon, walking kami. Malapit lang dito sa Bank of America, Starbucks. May snow na sa bundok, guys. Let's walk. Yes. Hi, malablab.
Hello, ma. Hello.
Ito yung paligid. Pinauna ko siya to show you guys yung paligid nung sa Bank of America. Ang lamig, sobrang lamig today. It's 47. I think it's 47. Ang klima. Kain kami.
We got hot Winnie, hot dogs with everything, Houston hot chicken, Starbucks.
Where do you want?
I don't know. I might stay here and eat. Well, you say you want it. Oh, your hands are cold. You need
Yes.
gloves.
I have my gloves in
But you
and
want it in and out, so we'll go in and out. We just have to wait it until.
yeah, and wherever you like, love, it's okay with me. No problem. I think we pick up Starbucks here.
Yeah, we've
Yeah.
been here. We've been here, love. Yeah.
Oo nga.
We've been to the hot dogs, Timmy Winnie, to pick up hot dogs with everything. And we've been to the Starbucks. We've been
Ayan.
here, love.
I remember this Starbucks.
We've been here. We've worked here. Good
Thank
memory.
you.
You're welcome, baby.
Yeah.
You want love?
Anything. Pick-upin muna kami, guys. So, punta muna kami ng In-N-Out. Doon kami magbe-breakfast. Nagkape lang kami dito. See ya! Try namin yung loaded baked potato nila dito. So, nandito kami sa Steamy Winnie. So, yan. Ito yung store nila. The main menu here is the hot dog bun. Look at the hot dog bun. That is their main menu.
Tater tots, mommy. Baked tater tots. Not baked potatoes, tater tots.
Hot, what? Sorry?
Tater tots, the little tiny little potatoes. The tater tots. They're the small tater tots.
Love, you're so guwapo. Ang gwapo ng asawa ko, guys. In love. Ang taba ko na, guys. Look at me, guys. Ang taba ko na. Wala pa ako 1 taon, pero tumaba na ako. Let's try. Kasi namin, guys, yung mga documents namin, joint documents for the green card application. We already does that with, again, K1, Rapid Visa. So, Rapid Visa will help us in our journey for green card application. So, yan. So, ngayon, nag-asikaso kami ng mga papers or documents. They said kasi na kailangan join marami kami or all of his account and everything about, living here in US, we need to have the joint name. The house, the car, the bank, what else? Love? His medical,
T-Mobile,
phone, bills,
property
bills, yan.
yep, utility bills, and on the contract of the house.
Yeah, so dapat join na ako doon para dun sa interview. Not interview, I think they're gonna check on that also. So, upon processing dun sa green card application. So, yun yung gagawin namin today.
You're already in T-Mobile because, oh no, you're not in the bill.
Yan. Tapos binila niya ako ng phone, guys. So, may bago akong phone dito. Ayan, yung phone na binili niya sa akin. I like it. Ang dami nangyari sa akin this past I think 2 months. Hindi yata ako nag-vlog for 2 months or 1 month. Kasi medyo naging busy ako. Tumulong ako dun sa friend ko. Sa Walmart delivery niya. So, si Tita Alice. Tumutulong ako sa kanya. Tapos, yun lang. Na-enjoy ko naman. Gumagala.
Sauerkraut. I don't like sauerkraut. I'll put it inside.
I see. So, ito
You can dip
yung...
them there.
Ito yung namin, yung... What is this again, love? Sorry.
Tater tots, loaded potatoes.
Ayun.
Tater tots, loaded baked potatoes.
Ano man siya, hindi ko siya kasi mabanggit. Ang dami kong kwento kasi sobrang na-enjoy ko dito. Nawawala na yung, parang feeling ko, feel at home na ako dito. Hindi na ako naiilang. Masaya naman, sobra. Kain na kami, guys. Sarap niya, guys. Ang sarap. Uulit-ulit ako dito. Sobrang sarap. In and out, guys. In and out. Bulaga. Sarap yung nila dito, burgers. In and out. This is my burger. I have lots of vegetable. Same lang pala. Naku, hindi nila sinunod yung gusto ni asawa. They still put tomato. My asawa don't like tomato. Their fries. Yum. sa loob ng Bank of America. Ayan. Waiting kami for our appointment. Chankla. Sobrang lamig, guys. 12 yung appointment namin. So, waiting kami. Kakatapos lang namin sa Bank of America. Pauwi na kami. I think mag-Walmart kami. Hindi ko alam sa kanya. I don't know. I don't know if he likes to do Walmart grocery. He really don't like it. Let's see. Kasi kailangan naman talaga yun. Ayan na, guys. Walmart tayo. This is our Friday Walmart. This is, look, guys. This, in the Philippines, we have a fake champotse. Simpotia. This is the real.
Oh, this is Sleepy Hill. We need to
He changed it.
wipe it. No, that's a wipe, I think. Right here.
Ayan na. Poinsettia. $6. The poinsettia. So this is real. Because you're touching it. I think your bread is old.
No, I like this.
I not this, sorry. This. This.
Already cut for it. This brother.
I don't know. I'm not remember.
Oh, I forgot to put
Just done with our Walmart. We're done. Uwi na tayo. Just done with Walmart. Uwi na tayo. Nakakapagod. Oh, traffic. Traffic. Grabe, traffic. Traffic sa Warm Spring, oh. Grabe.